Businesses increasingly rely on teams as these offer several benefits compared to individual contributors. However, a team is not just a collection of individuals whose contributions are accumulated to determine team outcomes. Teams involve complex interpersonal processes and emergent states such as cohesion, trust, knowledge sharing, and backing up behaviors that implicate the outcomes of a team. These factors enable a team to be much more than the sum of its parts. The existing body of knowledge on teams acknowledges the importance of these states and is aimed at understanding and developing these in work teams. My research focuses on the speed with which new teams can achieve high interpersonal cohesion and subsequently develop team synergies quickly. I study adventure teams as a case where teams achieve high level of interpersonal cohesion in a very short duration. High altitude trekking teams operate under time and resource constraints, task-related stress, and environmental uncertainty. These conditions are ubiquitous in the contemporary workplace, and hence treks present a promising platform to study how team dynamics and performance may be developed quickly under such circumstances. Through in-depth interviews with participants of high-altitude treks, trek leaders, and a field observation with a trekking team, I have developed a process model that presents the key factors and their interactions underlying the accelerated emergence of cohesion in trekking teams. This model shows that under contextual and cognitive conditions, which are partly facilitated by the team leader, team member interactions can develop a self-reinforcing loop that leads to acceleration of team dynamics emergence. This work also reconciles contrasting findings regarding the effect of environmental challenges on teams by conceptualizing how the self-reinforcing loop can take a positive or a negative form depending on the potentially leading to the acceleration of desirable or undesirable states within the team. In doing so, I contribute to management scholarship by bringing novel insights from a relatively under-researched domain that relies extensively on team dynamics for successful outcomes. This work can inform team management, leadership, and HR policy for temporary teams that must come together and deliver acceptable performance in very short periods of time.